Welcome back to my home cooks and chef. Today we're gonna be doing some sides, you guys. Stay tuned to sides. I'm gonna be doing all this week. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hey, to keep up with these wonderful dishes. Hey, let's get into the ingredients and let's get to cooking. Okay, so your first ingredient on your shopping list would be collard greens. Gotta get about 3 batches of collard greens. Next, you want to have on your list is cabbage. So you get 1 large cabbage. You also to make sure you have some beef bacon, or you can have pork bacon, and 2 large onions. Let's get into whipping this up. All right, so we're searing the bacon. For getting ready for the collard greens. So we get the little fat in there. And then you can actually add in your vegetables. So I got bell peppers, green bell peppers. Add that in. Chopped up. You can leave them big if you want to, but use the bell peppers. That's about a cup. And then use your onions. You ain't gonna use them all. About that much. That's about another cup of onions. I'm gonna let it cook down. Come go translucent. Add some celery to the leftover. So I'm gonna add some celery in here too. So, yeah. That's some light-skinned celery. So it's still celery. So we just want to get that little fat going on. I'm gonna add a little olive oil and my infused garlic olive oil. So go along with it. Some more aromatic. And then we're gonna add our garlic. What I like to do is, normally get on this time, add a little whole. I like my garlic to get a little toasted, not that much. So I like to hit that fire first. I don't want it to burn, but I do want to have a little bit of it on there. And what you do in the meantime, right next to it, is add 3 sticks of butter. So along with the bacon, the beef fat or bacon fat, however you like, add in 3 tablespoons of butter. Let it melt down, and you'll get this translucent. So let me cook this up, and we'll start throwing in the collard greens and cabbage. All right, so now what you want to do is add in your seasoning. So I'm going to start out with black pepper. You can do about a good tablespoon of black pepper. And next, you want to add in about 4 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. Or you can do 2 or 3 cups of chicken bouillon. Chicken broth. All right, so that's where your flavor's coming in from. Now, we want a little spice, a little kick. 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes. Right, so this is just our base. We're gonna build with our collard greens and cabbage. So just mix everything in. All right, looking pretty good. So if you follow along with me this far, you're on point, guys. You got it. So right now, lower the temperature down to about medium. We're gonna get ready to add in our vegetables. All right, so got everything in, cabbage and collard greens. Let it wilter down. About to go get some water to add to it, and we're gonna get to cooking, y'all. All right, so I'm about to get ready to add 2 cups of just plain old water. Like I said, I already added the chicken bouillon seasoning earlier, so I didn't need to put any more salt in it. So we're gonna let this cook down. Put it on high until it gets to boiling, and then I'm gonna throw in some more seasonings later. All right, so I'm gonna add some garlic powder. That's probably about 3 or 4 tablespoons, and black pepper on top. All we're doing is layering flavors. So that's all I'm doing, layering. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna stop playing with it, let it do its thing, and I'll come back and show you when it's ready for one of the final steps. Okay, so at this point, you gotta listen closely. Add a stick of butter in here. This is where all the flavor comes in. You get salted, unsalted. This is salted. If you notice, I didn't put that much seasoning in here. And last but not least, the Louisiana hot sauce. Put that in there, and that's it. Let it finish coming to a boil. Everything is almost wilted down, almost ready and tender, and it will be done, you guys. So see you when this is finished. All right, you guys, we're coming to an end. Cabbage is done. Greens, collard greens and cabbage is done. Turn it off. You got the pot liquor up in there. It's, everything is cooked down, softened. Smells smoky. What y'all think, guys? It's pretty good. Let me know in the comments. Like I said, if y'all tried this before, or what's your favorite collard greens? Is it mustard, turnip green, whatever? Let me know. Or southern fried cabbage. I'm gonna show you a video too later, so stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to get these great videos. I'm gonna definitely get these recipes out to you throughout this entire season, holiday season. So stay tuned. If you're new, like I said, once again, don't forget to subscribe. You guys, we're trying to hit that goal of hitting that 50K, so I need you guys' help. I really appreciate it for all you guys out there. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all like to check out my videos and get the notifications, so definitely hit that subscribe button. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. I can't say it enough. Hit that subscribe button big time. Thumbs up the video and leave a comment. All right, you guys, I'm your Chef KC. My motto, food feed the soul, and I will see you guys in the next. If you're looking for some more amazing recipes, make sure you click these videos, one at the top or one at the bottom. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you in the next one.